share slide 1 with the photo, Men Don't Cry. Ask students if they agree or not and why. Screen share the matching exercise. Ask students to read it and help them with the vocabulary. Have them do the exercise, then play the song extract for them to check. Tell students to write a comment, an opinion, ask a question, or speculate about the meaning of the song. They must send their work via chat box. Copy what they write from the chat box to the collaborative Google Doc for the next step. Highlight their mistakes. Now, tell your students to work in pairs, breakout rooms, and pretend they are the singer to answer the questions and reply to the comments or opinions. Give them 10 minutes. Share the link to the collaborative Google Doc with designated spaces for students to write their answers. As students write their answers or replies in the designated spaces, highlight the mistakes you find for later correction. When all pairs have finished, ask students to read all the answers. Have volunteers to correct the mistakes. Help them if necessary. Have students who wrote the original questions, comments, opinions and speculations, say what they thought of the answers they've received. Have other students participate by asking if they agree or disagree with the other students. Interactive worksheet. Students listen to the song and match the halves of the other verses in the song.
Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos to help other teachers. Visit sonactivityfactory.com. Thank you very much for watching.